Welcome back to another video lecture on C programming language, and in this video lecture we are going to look at input and output in C. So what we mean by input and output. So for instance, you can give in something and you expect something from a user. So how do you do that? In the first place, and in this lecture, we're going to look at what is called the get character and the put character. So the get character, call that get char. So this helps us to get information from the user, and it's just a single information, a single character alone, right? And the next one is the put character. So you can call that put char. So this helps us to print out the information that you've gotten from the user, but a single character at a time. So the get character helps us to get this character from the user, and the put character helps us to print out the character that is gotten from the user. So in this case, you can be able to achieve input and output in C programming. And at the end of this, and in the next lecture, we're going to look at how to get a full sentence or a full character from the user. So you can write so many things and print them out. But in this case, I'll teach you how to print out just one at a time from the user. So let's move in and then write a simple code that will help us to understand what we mean. Let's say you have an integer variable of x, and x, we're going to ask the user to input a value. So I'm going to say insert a character. So insert a character, put a semicolon at the end of this, and using x, we're going to collect that character from the user. So x is equal to get char. So put a semicolon at the end, and this will help us to get the character from the user. Then to print out the character, we're going to use printf, and now I'm going to say your result is, or you input this, or your result is, put a semicolon at the end, so you print out the character for us. So put char and insert the value of x right inside there, put a semicolon at the end. Now if I run this code, let's go ahead and check this out. So run this code, and this is insert a character. I will go ahead and insert R and hit enter. Your result is R. Now, we're in a case, I run this code, and I try to input out like hello, and if I hit enter, you see your result is hash. If you just take one character and basically that is the very first one there, and print that out for you, you see, this is what the get character and the put character helps us to do. Alright, so I know you were asking me why, how can I be able to print out hello or hello world or what is your name or any other information as it is written there. So we're going to look into that later in this course. But for now, this is all about the get character and the put character for input and output in C programming language. And if you have any question on this video lecture, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.